सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए।
The three times Ajatshatru Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born in Gwalior on 25th December 1924. He joined RSS at the age of 15 and fought his first Lok Sabha election from Bharatiya Jan Sangh in 1957 from 2 seats, lost in Mathura and elected from Balrampur. In 1977, Vajpayee became External Affairs Minister from Janata Party and addressed the UN General Assembly in for the first time in Hindi.
मैं भारत की जनता की ओर से राष्ट्र संघ के लिए शुभकामनाओं का संदेश लाया हूं। भारत में सदा से हमारा इस धारणा में विश्वास रहा है कि सारा संसार एक परिवार है।
In 1980, he resigned from Janata Party and founded BJP with Lal Krishna Advani. BJP could not perform in 1984 elections and Vajpayee lost to Madhavrao Sindhya in Gwalior. In 1986, Atal Bihari was elected to the Rajya Sabha and LK Advani became BJP's president. Under Advani's leadership, BJP led to the Ram Janmabhoomi movement, which shockingly boosted their political game, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee was officially announced BJP's PM candidate. In 1996, BJP emerged as the single largest party and Vajpayee took oath as the 10th Prime Minister of India.
मैं अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
Unfortunately, his government could not stand for more than 13 days.
मैं अपना त्यागपत्र राष्ट्रपति महोदय को देने जा रहा हूं।
Atal Bihari again became Prime Minister for the second time in 1998 as NDA leader, and it was the same year when India became a nuclear power.
Today, at 15:45 hours, India conducted 3 underground nuclear tests in the Pokhran range.
In order to pursue peace and improve ties with Pakistan, Atal Bihari inaugurated the Delhi-Lahore bus service in February 1999. Once again, in April 1999, Vajpayee lost the no confidence motion by just 1 vote and his government was toppled as AIADMK withdrew its support. On 14th July in the same year, Vajpayee declared Operation Vijay a success after capably handling the Kargil war as a caretaker Prime Minister.
लड़ाई के परिणाम के बारे में भी मेरे मन में कोई संदेह नहीं है। हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे।
For the third time, Atal Bihari Vajpayee took oath as the Prime Minister. His third tenure was a complete 5-year term with several difficulties including hijack of Kathmandu-bound Indian Airlines flight in 1991, Parliament attack in 2001 and Godhra riots in 2002. Vajpayee, however, handled everything, and during his regime, he introduced schemes that would lead to growth, such as Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana and Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Eventually, BJP lost the Lok Sabha elections in 2004, and Vajpayee declared his retirement from active politics in 2005 at the age of 81.
अब मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा, लेकिन काम करूंगा, संघर्ष में साथ दूंगा, लेकिन अब सत्ता की राजनीति नहीं करूंगा।
In 2013, leaders from different political parties called out for Bharat Ratna to be awarded to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which he eventually received in 2015. In 2018, whole nation was left in immense pain with the news of Atalji's demise at the age of 93.
टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी, अंतर को चीर व्यथा पलकों पर ठिठकी, हार नहीं मानूंगा रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूं, गीत नया गाता, गीत नया गाता।
Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a man who left the world but will never leave the hearts. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.